Hello guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and NDT channel. So what is arc length? What is arc? So let's compute this arc length. Okay, I will draw a circle and this is the diameter, and we have an angle here. Let's say our angle is 42 degrees and our diameter is 8 inch. So let's compute this arc length, okay, using formula. So we have a formula. Length equals diameter multiply it to 5 times 42. This is 42 degrees divided to 360. Using this calculator, FX100MS Casio, I will show you how to compute this arc length. So our diameter is 8 inch, multiply it to 5, so our 5 is 3.1416, multiply it to 42 divided to 360 equals, so our answer is 2.93. okay, for this formula our answer is 2.93. so this length is 2.93. This is our arc. This is our arc length. And also for another formula, I will show you another formula for this arc length. For this arc length, we have also radius times degrees times 0.01745. okay, this is another formula. Then also this is the easy way formula for using how to compute arc length. Let's try it. For this formula, radius times degrees and times 0.01745. okay, so our diameter is 8 inch, so our radius is 4. So 4 multiply it to degrees. Our degrees is 42 degrees, multiply it to 0 point 0.1745. So our answer is, okay, they are the same answer, 2.93. This is our answer, 2.93, using two formula with the same answer of arc length. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and I hope you learn about the simple information of this um, formula for this length using how to compute arc length. And please subscribe us. Please subscribe to Piping Welding and DT channel. Thank you and have a nice day, guys. See you next my video. Bye.